Hey, this is Bob Carlton with AL.com. We just finished the first day of our 5-day journey across the state of Alabama to find Alabama's best barbecue ribs. First stop today was at Jim's Highway 82 Barbecue in Billingsley. Jeanette Hughes runs the business now. Her father, Jim Lenore, started Jim's Highway 82 Barbecue back in, I think it was 1974, so it's been around for a good long while. And some great ribs there, and then we went on to Fat Boy's Barbecue Ranch in Prattville with Danny and Gretchen Lofton, who started their business 17 years ago. I'm trying to remember all my notes in my head, but it was about 17 years ago. And now they actually sell their barbecue at the Auburn football game, so you may have had some of their pulled pork barbecue there. We had the ribs, obviously, on our trip. And then we went on down to Jim and Nick's Barbecue in Montgomery, and David Goodell, who was the local owner there at Jim and Nick's. He started out at the Jim and Nick's here in Birmingham and has worked his way up, and now owns 3 Jim and Nick's locations, including one in Montgomery. And we